welcome to a Tamiya TT-01 Race build episode from RC Empire, and welcome to the speedruns. Now in this quick video we're going to be taking a look at our Tamiya TT-01 in race spec as you've seen it racing in the Tamiya series. And again, similarly with the TT-02, we're going to be doing a number of runs up and down to get a good, consistent, true value of the top speed. And as you can see, we are hitting 23 miles per hour. The standard Hobbywing ESC you saw us fit in one of the previous videos, as well as the Tamiya Torque tuned motor with a 26 tooth pinion. And this is the exact setup we run when racing on this track in the Tamiya series. Now interestingly, if you remember from our TT-02 speedrunners video, the Tamiya TT-02 with a 10.5 turn brushless motor, stock with 0 turbo timing, on a 2S Lipo was getting around 25 miles per hour. And this Tamiya TT-01 with a really simple, cheap Tamiya Torque tuned motor is getting pretty much the same, maybe 2 to 3 miles per hour less. And that just goes to show how much gearing matters. We've got a brushed torque tuned motor on 2S versus a fully blown 10.5 turn brushless system going at pretty much the same speed. However, the torque tuned brushed setup in our Tamiya TT-01 is pretty much at its limit, whereas the 10.5 turn brushless motor is nowhere near its limit. As you can see, we normally run it with a 3S Lipo going at 35 miles per hour, plus we can add turbo timing to the motor and change up the gearing to go a lot faster. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little video and seeing how fast our Tamiya TT-01 race build that we use in the race series can go. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content, and do keep an eye out for our coming videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.